This is a quick demonstration on how to design a teeth and gum separated full denture with the Design app. First, you need these data sets: edentulous arch scan, wax rim scan, square-shaped thin dummy STL, and template model scan. Organize your files from the beginning because we are going to use them interchangeably to create multiple sets of data during this process. First, go to Transformation Mode to locate the dummy STL to occlusal plane, according to the wax rim scan. Go to Edit Mode and duplicate the teeth from the template model scan. Now go back to Transformation Mode. Locate the duplicated teeth according to the occlusal plane and upper arch. Uncheck the uniform scaling and scale teeth along the arch. Now go back to Edit Mode and connect the interproximal area with the Bridge tool and fill holes. Now select the gum scan data and use the Thicken tool to make the denture's gum base. Use the Sculpting tool to adjust the empty spots on the interproximal. Now we are going to give an offset to gum data to cut the teeth's bottom. This is only for cutting teeth on the bottom side, so try to input a thickness less than the thickened gum base. Use the Cut tool to remove the bottom. Now with the bottom trimmed teeth, let's call it final teeth, which is what they will be. Give the offset the outside to create a bonding gap between the teeth and gum. Use cut gum with the offset given teeth. Now the gum has a bonding gap for the new teeth. Try to place the final teeth to see if there's enough room in between, or as much as you intend to have. Now you have the teeth and gum separated data to print out on your 3D printer.